Well, girls, it's just a few weeks to go till the Cheltenham Festival, and if you're like me, you're scratching your head about what to wear for the 4 days. Can we reboot some outfits from last year, or will it have to be new? We want it to be colourful, we want it to be practical. Hashtag Colour Me March is Cheltenham's theme for Ladies' Day, and I've come to the best place for colour, and that's V V Rouleaux in Bath. This shop is literally like an Aladdin's cave, and the Queen is Annabel. Annabel, very
Alice,
good to see
how
you.
are you? Nice to see you.
Thank you
Great.
so much.
Come for a bit of colour,
I
darling.
need some help. I bought some colour.
Ah, lovely.
Went for the orange today, but hats and coats. Can I revamp some old ones and try and look at something new?
Yes, of course you can.
Oh,
and
it's so
plenty of
gorgeous
things
here.
to choose from.
So with the hashtag Colour Me March, it's really about brightening up, isn't it? We've come to spring.
Yeah.
It's chance for the girls.
Yeah.
It's got to be warm. I mean, Cheltenham can be cold.
You've got to be a bit confident too. You know, if you've got a fantastic tweed coat and you think, oh dear, what am I going to do with that? Well, you could wear the most beautiful tied ribbon around. You don't need to be a seamstress. You don't need to stitch and sew.
Yeah.
You just tie a beautiful ribbon round the waist, or you put something on the cuffs. Very easy, just tack it and stitch it in, or you wear an amazing rose.
Yeah.
Beautiful roses.
And also it's a good opportunity to wear hats, isn't it?
Yeah.
As girls, we get very rare opportunities, but when you go to the races, you genuinely can wear a hat and you can really
Dress up
pull
a
it
bit.
off. There's such an opportunity to bring a bit of life,
a bit of
colour.
green.
Look at this.
Yeah, stunning greens, or this lovely bluey colour. And, you know, OK, fascinator's probably not the right sort of thing, but how about one made from felt?
Yeah.
With a ribbon and a trim, you can trim everything. I mean, fancy having 100 colours. There's not anything you're not going to match with 100 colours from a colour guide. Okay. So how gorgeous is that?
So I brought a basic coat, which it's a really well cut coat, but as you can see,
it's a nice colour.
It's a very simple. It's
but
not
you can lift
particularly...
those colours, Alice, with something like a do you want to put it on? A fantastic. Put that round your waist. Yeah. Literally round the coat. When it's done, does it do up?
It does.
Yeah, it does.
Amazingly.
And this is so easy to make. It's made from wax cord.
Oh yes.
And it actually gives you a lovely waist, Alice. There you are. Look. You know, how wonderful is that? And Alice, you could have 2 or 3 of these beautiful bright coloured roses on your lapel, or in the colour of your horse, because it's in the Ladies' Day first race, and you have 3 beautiful roses on your lapel. How easy and simple is that to do a gorgeous rose?
You've done that in 2 minutes.
You can just have 2 colours of your horse, your runner.
Yes.
And just tied on like that with a gorgeous bow.
If I was JP McManus, they'd be blue.
Is that their colour? Yeah. But, you know, and just lovely things like that. Or you wear an amazing rose made from a fabric.
Let's have a look.
And you just plonk a rose on.
Hashtag Colour Me March.
Instead of it on the outside, you just have a small piece underneath your jacket. Just a little bit of cuff coming out like that.
Oh, that's really nice. This is great. This is so that would be
using a lovely
ribbon.
Yeah. You like the rose. That goes with what you're wearing.
My head sits
so that's quite a good colour. Motives, don't think just the band around the hat. Think of putting amazing motives on, or you could just do fun coloured pom-poms. But you know how you get absolutely frozen while you're running around after those horses, Alice? Yes, with your arm in the air. But you've got some good muscles. But you know, that's just a bit of fabric, and you go and get wonderful fabrics, and then just attach your ribbons, stitch your ribbons on. Because then, you know, you're just using a scarf you've got that you love, but you're just going to lift it with a bit of colour.
Annabel, it's fascinating. Come with me, you just got to see this. This is so great. I'm not sure what sort of stick I'd get from Matt Chapman if I turned up with these beauties on my head. And
a
with
small amount of colour, and it doesn't cost, you know, honestly, £2.25. to do a bit of colour. So get making colour, get trimming your coats, your hats, and having a bit of fun. It's all about fun.
It's about fun.
Particularly.
I mean, I don't know about you, but I am so inspired having come here. It's going to be a really fun day, and it's not just about Ladies' Day. Ladies' Day is about #ColourMeMarch, but the whole of Cheltenham. Let's bring a dash of colour. Annabel, thank you.